Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.6 on Oracle Linux 10.2, but the process is same on all Oracle Linux 10 versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is PostgreSQL 18.6. Click on download or click on download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then click on Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. Then select the platform. See here we have the Red Hat, Rocky, Alma Linux or Oracle Linux 10 version. Select it. Then select the architecture x86-64. Then select the version. See here we have the 18 is the latest one. Then we have to run these commands one by one. Now open terminal. Then run these commands one by one. See, it is going to install the repository RPM. It is done. Ctrl L. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. But if you want to install 17, give 17. Okay, it is up to you. Then server, hit enter, type and hit enter again. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. And this is the download size. This is the installed size. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now initialize the database. Installation success. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -18. See, PostgreSQL server is installed, but it is not started and it is disabled. So start it and enable it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. So we have to give the version number. Now verify. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. We have started it 2 seconds ago. And see here, these are the PIDs for these PostgreSQL processes. This is a data directory, logger, evoker, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, and logical replication launcher. Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now enable it. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -18. It is done. See, service is enabled. Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, you have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. But this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. It is this PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 18.6. Okay, the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So first verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having these privileges, super user and other rules. We can also get the list of the users by running select use name from pg_user. See, got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Alt means the above alter user or alter statement executed successfully. Now we will create database. Before that, verify list of databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Control L, create database. Now verify again. See, we have created database and this is the one of the database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command /c or connect, then provide the name of the database. You are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted zeros. Now we will create user. Control A to clear the screen. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Here, David8120 is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. /q is the command to exit from the PSQL client. PSQL -h, h means host name. Here local host is fine because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then new username is David -d means database Postgres. Then provide the password of this David user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged into the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission entered for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any permissions on this customer table. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.6 on Oracle Linux 10. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. Exit. Control L, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Control A. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Exit. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. See, PostgreSQL server is running. We have stopped it 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. Control it. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -18. We have successfully restarted. See, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin and db. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my two channel how to install both on Oracle Linux. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.6 on Oracle Linux 10.2. Okay, for more database or PostgreSQL server tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.